Well, as the topic indicates, it is online shopping from e-commerce stores. It is the best platform for student as it is most convenient. The most important advantage of online shopping is that the convenience. Well, you don't have to leave your home. You will do it all of your holiday shopping as an example from the comfort of your chair together with the laptop in hand. You will avoid crowds, save gas, eliminate the strain of visiting a store and finding that they were out of what you needed. Online shopping is perhaps the foremost convenient store of shopping. While shopping online, you need not to worry about the time the shop closes. After all, going to the shop before 9 isn't possible for you, and you won't leave work until this is 6. You have got to eat dinner and spend a while with the family before you will attend the shop. It is very easy to compare prices online, and saving money is usually an honest idea. Within minutes, you will know who has the simplest price, what portion they are going to charge for shipping, and the way quickly the item are going to be at your house. During this way, you will get the simple possible price for your purchase. When you yourself go for shopping, you are limited by your geographical area unless you propose to drive for hours to urge to subsequent mall. You want to shop only at the retailers that are in your area. This might not offer you the simplest selection. When you shop online, you shop from the retailers in other parts of the country also. And by increasing the amount of shops, you increase your selection and seek out the items at the simplest possible price. If you are shopping online, please take care of the some of the points which are very important. Always go for best e-commerce shops. Some of the shops do not bother to collect the articles if you want to return. So take care of that. Go for brands because a lot of cheating is done online in the name of materials, stitching, quality, etc. Do compare the prices first. Go for the products which offer return within a limited period because the product you buy may not be of the good quality or it may not be one of the those you wanted. You get good collection of material which you cannot see even in the market as you cannot get catch hold of all the shops. All the shop have different varieties. You can also go to the shop and compare the prices for that online so that you may not get cheated. Go for offers that are available. You will get discount this way. You can find discounts online that are not available within the store. Major shops often circulate discount codes and free shipping that lowers the worth of your item even more. Before you create a web purchase, make certain to look for these coupon codes. In physical stores, the salesperson try to influence your choice and convince them to buy them. Customers do not have to stand in queue for the cash counters in online shopping. They can shop from anywhere and there is no one to convince you. Online consumers can track the order status and delivery status. It also saves many problems. Yes, true, we miss the shopping experience that provide a lot of fun in the form of showroom and atmosphere. But during online shopping, the online payments are also not secure. The rate of cybercrime has been increasing and the bank details can get misused, which raises private issues. Although students like to shop online, reasons are discussed earlier, but I still think that in some way it is very convenient, but in many ways it is boring also. You cannot judge a product by simply looking at the picture of it. The color may vary, you can get a substandard product, but thanks to the returnable policy of e-commerce that the products gets picked up without even asking a question also. And in physical store, these salesperson are always reluctant to get the products changed. So adopt both the methods. I think go for offline shopping also and online shopping also. But still, I think do not try to buy costly product online, as the product has to be examined from the all the angles before buying. Students can get books, stationery products, and even decorative items from the online shopping. But try to judge the product from all perspectives. Go through the rating and the description of the product. If it suits you, you can go for it. Go for the reviews also, they are very true. It's better to get the picture of the product by the reviews it gets. So it's better not to increase the length of the video. If you have any suggestions, please go for it in the comment box. And if you like even one point of it, please like and do subscribe my channel.